Yes.
Jet boats suck you through the water, they don't push you through the water. So when you're going slow, they don't really have much steering. See that?
Yes.
That's my girlfriend. That's the only person I can get to date me.
Yo, okay, for those of you who don't know, there's a scale replica of the Statue of Liberty here. That's actually really cool. We're gonna be able to see that in a second. Jeff, you can see that. Alright. You guys are, if you may not know, we're actually watching this from 2 separate angles right now. So you're seeing everything live and as it happens. We're doing a little, we got like our little bit rocking going on here. Yeah. What's going on?
Well, meta, man.
Okay, remember that video on social media you saw? There was like one guy driving, there's like 2 girls and another guy standing, and then they flipped?
That's not gonna happen.
No, for sure.
It's not gonna happen here.
Okay, that was a little bit too intense.
So I like my boat.
Yeah.
I like the nostalgia of having an 80s boat.
Yeah, this is really nice.
I know when I was standing there waiting for you guys, I was just admiring it again. The guy did a nice job.
Oh yeah.
Tell us that orange is my favorite color. It's shocking. It gets a lot of people looking at it.
Yeah. Orange is his favorite color. Like, he is obsessed with it.
There's everything out here. There's houseboats and $200,000 boats, and
oh yeah.
Like my father-in-law, he's got Chris Craft, a newer Chris Craft.
Yeah.
Other fish in here?
There has to be fish in here.
Yeah, there's cantaloupe. We got out of the Kootenai Lakes.
Yeah.
Canada. They took those and transplanted them here. There's bull trout. There's whitefish. They planted all sorts of green species and perch and bass and all that stuff too. But the main game fish here is the kamloops.
The kamloops?
Yeah, big rainbow trout. Canadians. You know, Canadians. They all got cool fish.
Nice.
It's a huge lake.
Yeah, it's super huge.
So, Ben Stein lives over there in the condos. You remember Ben Stein?
Yeah.
Ben Stein's money and Ferris Bueller. And he was Nixon's economist, I think. Yeah. So he lives over there. He's retired. You see him every once in a while. Kind of funny because it'll be hot like this.
Yeah.
In the evening, you'll see him out with a navy blue blazer on.
Yeah.
And full pants. Like, wow, aren't you boiling?
Holy jeez. I'm so excited. We can basically go anywhere, you guys. You guys are watching this firsthand right now. We're with Tyler. This is his home turf, so showing us everything.
Schweitzer Mountain up there, ski area, which had snow on it until about 3 weeks ago.
People ski here, hey?
Yeah, that's a nice mountain. Really, really nice mountain.
I'm an avid skier, for sure.
Yeah, come down. Definitely come down. It's not very crowded either.
Okay, I'm gonna just pause this. Oh, shit. This one's waterproof.
That's my i7, yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet.
Yeah. Just don't drop it. It still freaks me out. Yeah.
It does, yeah, it does. Yeah. It does. So what is over there? Like, that's like the other island. This is like the same little
It's just houses and stuff. This is from City Beach. You look at that's Ponderay.
Yeah.
The beach Ponderay or Odin Bay, and then this Ponder Point is out there. The hillside.
Yeah.
That's Ponder Point, and the back side of that is Odin Bay, like East Odin Bay. Around the corner over there is Bottle Bay.
That's Bottle Bay, guys.
Yeah, and then about straight across is Hope.
That's home?
Yeah, Hope, Idaho. And then if you continue going down the lake, you'll get down to like beyond Hope and Clark Fork River jumps into it. You ready?
Yeah.
You're hanging on?
Are you? What's up? You're good?
No, right? That means I can't go faster than you.
expect that, you guys. I don't expect that, man. It's like really thrilling. Holy shit! Wow. Holy shit. No words right now. I have no words to say. Jeffrey, what's going through your mind?
I was fast.
That was super fast. Hold up, grab onto this again. Shit, that was fucking crazy footage.
Yeah, I need something to hold on to when you go.
Oh, I know.
Gonna fall out of here.
Alright.
So,
Yeah.
here.
Way. So, do you think this is due in partly in fact to global warming, or just like the glaciers were melting?
They built a dam down there.
Oh, they did.
In the 40s.
Okay. I was like, shit.
Legit reason.
Legitimate reason.
Man-made stuff, yeah.
Yeah. This is so rad. Okay. Yeah, totally.
How fast was that? I didn't even look at the.
We were like 52 on the speed path.
That's it?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it for sure.
Yeah.
For sure. Awesome. This is so rad.
Sweet things. I'm gonna stop this for.
Yeah, totally.
It feels a lot faster. I
does.
had a buddy of mine that knows jet boats real well says it's way faster and my speedo's wrong, but I don't think so. We could do a turn on the GPS and figure it out.
Yeah, no, totally. This is freaking amazing. Let's open this up.
Cold?
So nice and cold.
I gotta go. I gotta text Jeff Chan.
Nice.
Just drop you guys off.
It's like,
Is that all right?
And yeah. This is so rad. Kids toothbrush.
Hi, yeah, there it is.
You guys, cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers to up in this bitch. Shit, let's drink up.
Okay, we're doing 1 mile an hour. When we get going again, we'll figure it out.
Yeah, totally.
Too bad it's too rough, because I could really hammer it.
This is considered rough, eh? For sure.
Well, it's rougher than you want for
Going fast.
around.
Okay, no, this is nothing compared to Iceland.
I've never done this before. Like you guys, this
We were
is
in Iceland, we were doing a
On the sea?
on a big boat. Oh my god, we were like freaking
Yeah.
face up.
Yeah, I was in the Caribbean during like trade
We
winds.
were gonna
Yeah?
fall over.
Yeah, I was sicker than hell.
you guys. I have to say, this is my first time actually doing this. Like I've never actually been on like a speedboat before.
This is the one you want to be on.
This is the one. This is like this is legit. This is so awesome.
Wake boats don't got nothing on us.
That thing?
Holy shit. No, I don't think so. We're like pretty badass right now. We're like drifting and I love this. I don't even know where.
I got a tube back to the beach
A toque?
Tube.
to pull you guys. If you think that was fun.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
Do you want to do it? Let's fucking do it. Okay, so.
You do it. I'm afraid to do it with my tooth.
Oh yeah, your
I don't
tooth.
want water getting in. I just had a tooth extracted like 2 days ago.
Close your mouth.
Well,
There's water in your saliva.
yeah, but this is gross.
Yeah, there's water. Yeah, no, for sure, right?
Take a shot of whiskey. It'll
Oh, the hell's in this
purify
water?
it.
So freaking amazing. Which one?
You.
What? Oh.